Assalamu alaikum. Now we have to do exercise 3, and here we have to factorize by grouping. How we have to factorize by grouping? Obviously, different terms are given to us, and we have to take the common factors. And these factors either be the number or a variable. So we comes to question number 1 of this exercise. Okay, here in part A, these terms are given. How you identify that how many terms are there? By seeing these addition or subtraction sign. So this shows that in this algebraic expression, we have two terms, the first one and the second one. Now, how we have to group? By taking their common factor. So in 45 and 81, in which table both of these two come? In 45, we know that 45 came in 3 times table, 5 times table, 9 times table. But in 3 times table, obviously we have also 81. And in 9 times table, again we have 81. So we have to take the table which is the greater one. So here we have to take 9 as a common factor. Now comes to the variable. Here x is given, and again the x is given, so x is common. X can mean x multiplied by x, and from these two x is common. Okay. Now we have to factorize. How? In 9 times table, when 45 will come? 9, 5 times 45, and x square means there are two x. What is the meaning of x square? I have to write it here. X square means x multiplied by x. And out of these two x, one we have to put here in outside the bracket, and one here I have to put inside the bracket. Okay. Now we comes to the next. Then in 9 times table, when 81 will come, 9 9s are 81. And this x will go outside, and here we have only this y. So this is the factorization form of this these two terms. Okay. 9x bracket 5x minus 9 by here. In this way, we have to factorize. Okay. Now comes to the part B. Here in part B, again, they gave us two terms. This one is 39, this one is 15. Which table 39 came? 3 and 13. And here 3 and 5. Which one is common? 3 is common. So here I have to write 3. X, here they gave us x square. So this means x is common. Then y, and here z is common. So this 3x is only common. So in 3 time table, when 39 will come 13 times, x is, we have to write x outside the bracket and y inside the bracket. Next, in 3 times table, 3, 5 times 15. X square means, as here we have done, x into x. So 1x we have to put outside, and 1x we have to put inside, and then we have to write z. So here in this way, we have to factorize these two. I think so these are very much easier. You also done such type of question in class 7th. Now we move the next part C. Okay, in part C, again, we have x, y square, z square, and here we have x square and y cube. X and x square, mein, which one is common? Obviously, the x is common, so I have to put x. Y square and y cube, mein, which one is common? Y square is common, so I have to put y square from here. Okay, and next z square. So we have to, there will be no common here. So we just have two common elements that are x and y square. Okay. So put the bracket. So inside the bracket, we have only z square. So here I have to put z square. Next, x square we have to go, it will go outside. No, x square means x into x. What is the meaning of x square? It means x multiplied by x. And out of these two x, one will go outside and one will remain here inside the bracket. So I have to put here x and y cube. Y square is outside. Y cube mean how many y's are there? There are 3 y's. Y into y into y. So these two will go outside. These two will go outside. And here we have only the one, that is, we have to write here inside the bracket. This one is part C. Now we move towards part D. Here, look here, we have, first you have to look at the sign. Negative sign is here, negative sign is here. This means negative is common. 15 and 10. Which one is common? Obviously 5 is common. And next, this one is pi. The symbol of pi is given. So it is given here in both these two terms. So this one is again the common. Next one is x cube. Again, this one is x cube. So this x cube is also a common factor. So here we have to write x cube. Okay. Now we have to put a bracket. So in 5 time table, okay, when we need minus sign, minus 15. This means inside the bracket, we have to put plus sign, okay? Because plus into minus minus. 5 3 times 15. Pi, we will write outside the bracket. X cube, we have to write outside the bracket. Only inside the bracket, we have y. Now move toward it. Again, we need minus sign. So here, if we put minus sign, it becomes plus. So here, I have to put plus sign. And in 5 time table when 10 will come, 5 2 times 10. Pi x cube, the whole will go outside. So this one is here. We just write 2 because this will go outside. Okay. So this is how we have to factorize these two parts, part C and part D of question number 1. No. Now we comes to question number 2. Again, they gave us 2 terms. The first one is 6a. Inside the bracket, we have x minus 2y. Here, we have plus 5 x minus 2y. Look at these two terms. Which one is common in both these two? Here, this bracket, here, the bracket is here, x minus 2y. Again, in this person, we have a bracket, x minus 2y. So this means in these two terms, bracket is common. So firstly, I have to write the bracket. That is x minus 2y. Okay. And after writing the bracket, I will put another bracket. Now, look here. This bracket is common. X minus 2y is common. So which one is left over? 6a is only left over. Again, look at the sign. Which sign is here? The plus sign is here. And we have to put this 5. So we have to factorize in this way. Bracket is common. So we have to put bracket. And now in this term, if bracket is outside, then which one is left over? 6a is left over and here plus 5 is left over. So in this way, we have to factorize part A of question number 2. Now we comes to part B of question number 2. Again, here we have a bracket x plus 3y. This one is 3y plus x. Okay, only position is changed, but the values are same. 3y has positive sign here again. 3y has positive sign. X has positive sign here, no sign. This means it has again a positive sign. This means in this question again the bracket is common. So we have to take this bracket as a common factor. Okay. And then we have to put another bracket. This bracket is go outside. So what is left over? 2b is left over. So we have to write 2b. Again, which sign is there? Minus. And this one is C. I think so. These are very, very, very easy question. So these are question number 2, part A and B. Now we move towards part C and D of this, the same. Again, the two terms are there. The first one and the second term. In first term, we have 3D bracket 5x minus y. Again, minus 4f 5x minus y. Look at the bracket. Bracket is same. So first we have to take common factor bracket 5x minus y. Okay. Then we have to put another bracket here. We have to write 3D. And here we have to write minus 4f. So just we have to take the common bracket and the remaining elements we have to write. So in this way, we have to factorize this part C. Now move toward part D. In the first term, 5h x plus 3y. In the second term, we have plus 10k and x plus 3y. The x plus 3y is same in both of these two. So our common element is this bracket. So first I have to put the bracket. And after putting a bracket, I have to put another bracket here. X plus 3y is go outside. So which one is left over? 5h is left over. Look at here, the center sign, that is plus. If it here we have negative sign, we have to put negative. If we here we have plus sign, we have to put plus. Then this one is 10k. I think so. Question number 2 is very, very easy. So this is part D. So here in question number 2, again we have 4 parts and we have done all the 4 parts. Now move towards the question number 3 of this exercise. Okay. Again, they are saying factorize, and the part A is given ax minus 5a plus 4x minus 20. Okay. Again, we have to do factorize by grouping. So we have to group these two, ax minus 5a. Which one is common? A is common and left over is x minus 5. Here in 4 and 20, in which table both of these two come? In 2 and 4. We always remember we have to take the table which one is the highest. अगर कोई भी नंबर 2 टेबल्स में जाए, जैसे 2 और 4, तो जो बड़ा वाला टेबल होगा उसको हम कॉमन लेंगे. So we have to take 4 as a common. Okay. In 4 time table, when 4 will come, obviously the 1 time. So here again we have to just write x. Then we have to put the sign, that sign is negative sign. Okay. In 4 time table, when 20 will come, obviously 5 times. So here I have to put 5. Now look at these two terms, the first and the third. Again, bracket is common. So here we have to solve one further step. That first we have to take, we have to pair, then we have to take common factor, and that common factor is a bracket. So I have to put a bracket. After putting a bracket, I will put another bracket, and here I have to write a plus 4, because after taking bracket as a common factor, x minus 5 is common. So a is left over and here plus 4 is left over. So this one is answer of part A of question number 3. It is one further step. Okay. Now we move toward the second person. Okay. Here we have ax plus bx. Which one is common? Ax, bx. Which one is common? X is common. So which one is remaining? We have a plus b. Again, look at the second. We have to pair these two. So which one is common? Y. And which one is not common? That is a plus b. I think so. इसकी एक एग्जांपल वही है, आप फ्रेंड्स उसी को बनाते हैं जब आपके में कुछ कॉमन फैक्टर्स हो. तो वी हैव टू these two we have to pair the two which have any common elements. See, okay. Again, look at these two terms. The brackets are common in both of these two terms. Bracket is a plus b. Then we have to put another bracket, and here this bracket will go outside. This bracket will go outside. The which one is remaining? X. So here I have to write x, and then I have to write this sign plus, and then a plus b will go outside, and here y is left over. So these are the two parts of question number 3, part A and part B. Now comes to next two parts, part C and D. Again, we have x plus xy plus 2h. Okay, in x and xy, which one is common? X is common, and in x time table, when x will come 1 time, so 1 plus y will remain. Here 2y and plus 2y square. Obviously, which one is common? This 2y is common here. Okay, so here we have to write plus 2y. Okay, and inside the bracket, plus 2y go outside. In 2y time table, when 2y will come? Okay. In 2 times table, when 2 will come 1 time. In 3 times table, when 3 will come 3 times. 7 के टेबल में 7 कब आता है? 1 time. तो यहाँ हमने क्या लिखना है? 1. Next, we have to put the sign. Okay. This 2 will go out. 2y square means here we have 2y. This means y into y. So this 2y will go outside, and remaining we have only 1y. That is okay. That we have to write here. Y. Now close the bracket. Okay. Look here. In the first term, bracket values include 1 plus y. In the second term, again bracket has 1 plus y. So we have this bracket. We have to take this bracket as a common factor. Wait. Okay, we have to take this bracket as a common factor. And next, we have to write another bracket, and here in the other bracket, I have to put here in the other bracket, I have to put, look here, 1 plus y will go outside. Here we have only x, and here we have only plus 2y. So I have to write x plus 2y. Clear? So this one is part C, or of question number 3. Now we comes to part D of the same question. X square minus 3x. X square mean we have 2x. So out of these 2x, one will be common. And remaining it is x minus 3. Now again, in the second, we have plus. Which sign is given? Plus. If plus is given, you have to write plus. Here, if minus is given, you have to write minus. Okay. And x, y, and y, which variable is common? Y is common. Now, 2 will go outside, y will go outside. Which one is left over? X is left over, so we have to write x. In the center, which sign is there? Minus. Okay. If I put here minus sign, so look here, plus into minus, minus. So here I have to write minus. In 2 time table, when 6 will come 3 times, so we have to write 3, and y will go outside. Look at these two terms, x minus 3, x minus 3. Again, the bracket is same. So we have to take this bracket as a common factor. So I have to place this bracket, then I put another bracket. And here I have to write the remaining x. Look here, x minus 3 will go outside. Here, x is remaining, move toward here. Which value is here written outside the bracket? Plus 2y. So these are the questions. Today we have to do question number 1, 2, and 3 of factorization by grouping. This is another way of factorization. Previously, we had to factorize by using the identity. That is all. So, Allah Hafiz.